So this is the new copy machine. This is our fancy new Xerox. So I'm gonna show, if I can remember, what Gail just told me about this. So the first step is we have paper. It goes in here. All right. Then we're gonna want to click, our little confirm, and then we're gonna want to click copy. And then, copy rather than log in. So start by pushing copy first, don't push log in. And then we enter our code, our 4-digit code. And then we want to do like a number of copies that we want. So like, I teach roughly. And then we have some advanced features. So then this is where we can say like two-sided copying. If we want to do like 2 pages that we have, we have one that's on one side and we have the other that's on the other. We'll pop it in like that. And then we do what Gail said is 1 to 2 sides. And then we hit start. So right now I'm only going to do 1 because I already made that. So then we hit start. Original size. Oh, there we are. There we are. Okay. Boom, boom. Sounds like it's coming alive. Sweet. Super fast. All right, and there we are. And then I take it out. And then I need to work my way back to the home button. So after it's all done, I hit home. And then I hit reset. And then I click reset all apps and log out. And that's it. It looks scary at first, but it's actually really easy to use.